Earthquake in Boston, what you need to know. Did you feel it? Boston experienced a rare earthquake yesterday, January 27th. While it was mild and caused no major damage, it's a reminder of how unpredictable nature can be. Experts recorded a small quake near Boston, catching many residents off guard. Earthquakes in this region are uncommon, but not impossible due to underlying fault lines. Preparedness is key. Secure heavy furniture, have an emergency kit ready, and remember, during a quake, drop, cover, and hold on. These small steps can save lives. Let's take this event as a lesson. Share this video, stay informed, and equip your household with safety plans today. Preparedness starts with awareness.